How the travel agent can reserve a seat at the time of booking?
By doing an advance booking at the airline.
Right. What type of seat is booked automatically when you give ST command?
Non-smoking seat.
Right. What command is given to reserve a smoking seat?
Smoking seat. ST, transaction code ST, then oblique, then S.
Right. W is used for?
Window seat.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a aisle seat?
Transaction code ST, then oblique, then A.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a bulkhead seat?
Transaction code ST, then oblique, then B.
Right. What passenger type code is used for infant passenger?
I.
Right. What passenger type code is used for passenger with medical condition?
Passenger medical condition M.
Right. What code has been given to reserve a seat for unaccompanied minor?
What code?
Command.
ST, transaction code ST, then oblique, then U.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a seat for a handicapped passenger?
Handicap passenger, transaction code ST, then oblique, then H.
Right. What do you mean by seat wish?
When the airline do not book a advance seat, then the airline just make a seat wish for the passenger.
Right. What code is to be used for non-smoking seat?
NSST,
Right. What code is used for non-smoking bulkhead seat?
non-smoking bulkhead seat. NSSB,
Right. What code is used for specific seat number?
RQST,
Right. What code is used for smoking aisle seat?
smoking aisle seat. SMSA,
Right. What code is used for smoking window seat?
SMSW,
Right. What command is used to reserve a seat?
ST command.
Right. What type of seats are available in most airlines?
Non-smoking seats.
Right. A is used for which part of the airplane?
Aisles.
Right. B area code is used for which part of airline?
Bulkhead.
Right. What command is used to reserve a seat, reserve a window seat?
ST, transaction code ST, then oblique, then W.
Right. What passenger type code is used for unaccompanied minor?
U.
Right. And for handicapped passenger?
Handicap passenger H.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a seat for unaccompanied minor?
Transaction code ST, then oblique, then